What's up, Nicole gang? So as you can see right now, my hair is an absolute mess, and that's because I'm gonna be styling this hair on camera with you guys. The hair that I have in my head is actually a wig that I received from Ririhair. So this is the boxing that it came in. This boxing is absolutely, hold on, you know what, let me show you guys again. Do you see that? So freaking cute, right? So this is the boxing that it came in. Of course, I have the wig on my head, so I can't just pull it out the box. It comes with like this pretty wrapping paper, and then it comes with this golden brush. This is like a detangler brush. Of course, it came with a thank you letter. Thank you for shopping with us. It's pretty cute. It has like the marble background. And then it comes with information on the wig. So the wig that I have in, it's Brazilian virgin hair. It is 18 inches. It is, I believe this is ash blonde. They went ahead and dyed it for me. I didn't have to do anything to it. And then the density is 130%. The cap construction 4.5 part lace front wig, and then I will add the rest of the information in the description box. One thing I did want to note is that this hair did come with the pre-plucked hairline, and it also came with bleached knots, so I really didn't have to do anything to it. And last but not least, it came with a tan wig cap in the box, and then the box has like this golden, I don't know what to call it, but it's golden on the inside. So whew, child. What I'm gonna be doing to my hair today is I'm just gonna curl it with the flat iron. This is not how the wig came. The wig came straight and it came in the middle part. However, I did go ahead and co-wash it last night, just because that's just something that I always do. I always co-wash my hair before I put it in. So it's not as straight as it's supposed to be, but literally this is what it looks like once it dried. So I'm just gonna take my rat tail comb and start combing it out. As you can see, it glides through the comb really easily. It doesn't tangle or anything. Okay, so firstly, we're gonna start off by using this Cantu oil sheen. This is like a deep conditioning spray. I don't want to use too much of this stuff because it can get really greasy. I can't even open it right now. Hold up. Okay. So I'm just gonna spray from a far distance. Already getting oily. So now, before we start curling the hair, I want to go ahead and kind of like push everything down with the hot comb. So I don't know if my hot comb is hot enough because I just cut it on, but we're gonna try. And then mind you, I'm not gonna fix my baby hairs until after I'm done, not straightening the hair, but until after I'm done curling the hair, because I don't want the baby hairs to get messed up, and I just want that to be the last step. So now I'm gonna take my flat iron. The reason why I'm using this flat iron, this is like a bit older. I don't even know what this is. It's so old that everything has like smeared off. But this flat iron has like rounded edges, and this is the only type of flat iron that will allow you to curl your hair. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and use the brush that they provided me with. That'll be smart. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this brush to detangle along the process. Ooh, so smooth. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take this front piece just like this, and I think I'm gonna curl going backwards. Yeah, so got that, and then I'm just gonna twist it, and I'm not gonna go to the end because I'm going for like a certain type of effect, so I'm gonna leave the end straight, so just about that much hair, just like that, and we're leaving the ends straight. So you want to go ahead and do that to the entire wig, and we are taking about, I guess you could call this like an inch of hair. I don't know. Okay, so before I brush out these curls, I just want to talk about the hair in the wig itself. When I was plucking it and stuff, the only thing that I can say about this wig is that it really has a thick hairline. Like, I feel like I was plucking hair forever and I was like, oh my god, this hair isn't going anywhere, but that's a really good thing. Also, another thing that I have noticed just now, first let me start off by saying that process took about 10 minutes or less, minus me like fooling around. That stuff, it took like 10 minutes or less. Also, the hair is so silky and soft that it just literally glided through the flat iron, and I didn't have any problems, nothing tangled, nothing, you know, it didn't mess up on me or anything. So this hair is really good, it's really silky. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and run my hands through the curls. But that's the reason why I use flat irons to curl my hair, because it's like really quick, and then also I'm not too good with curling irons. Like, I suck with curling irons, so that's just not me. But yeah, oh my god, there's love bugs everywhere. I'm sick of this, Florida. Just burnt my ear. I just burnt my ear, y'all. It's cool though, but I just burnt my ear. Okay, I think I'm gonna use the brush to, yeah, that's cute. Girlfriend, yes, that's cute. Okay, so now our last step is the baby hairs, which is why I have my mousse. Put a little mousse in there, and I'm just gonna fix these baby hairs. So it's not much fixing I have to do to them though. And now we're done. Okay, let me stop. But we're done. If I had to rate this hair 1 out of 10, I would honestly give it a 10. One thing though, one thing that I do not like about the hair is that I wish it had a higher density, because I feel like it's a bit thin. And me personally, I might have to add an extra bundle of 613 hair just to achieve that fuller look. But I mean, it's not that bad. But yeah, I honestly think this is some of the best 613 hair I have received thus far. I can honestly say that. And the reason being is because It doesn't appear to be brittle. It bounces, it moves, and it's also really soft, and that's not something that you get out of a lot of 613 hair. This kind of reminds me of mink hair, which is good because mink hair is of a higher quality. So this company does offer like really high quality hair. Of course, the only thing I would say is that I wish it had like a higher density. And also, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure I probably had the choice to choose a higher density. I'm not sure, but I will go back and check on the website or whatever. Yeah, I don't have too much to say about the hair. That is the end of our video, ladies. If you found this video helpful or if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Also, turn on your post notification bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Last but not least, hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed already, and we out.